How to contact Alibaba's customer service. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. There will be 5 options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on My Alibaba option, which is located on the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you'll see 3 options on the top right corner. Simply tap on the headphone icon. From here, you can contact to the Alibaba's customer service by simply tapping on live chat on the bottom of your screen. It will take a few moments for the page to load, and from here, you can contact the customer service and tell them your problem. And it is that easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.